Feather Place, and today I'm going to talk about our feather fascinators. The fascinators are packaged in these cardboard boxes that open up, and the fascinators are clipped onto this paper for easy transportation to your hat event. This one is the Clara. It has a large ostrich feather on the side with a netted bow and a tulle bow on the back. The base is a natural woven straw, and there's a clip for easy insert. This is the other one. It's called the Blanca. It has the same natural straw base with the clip. This one has feathers with the flower, netted detailing, and tulle. So first you want to find the front of the fascinator, and that is where the base comes to a point. You can wear these on multiple sides of your head depending on your hairstyle. You can wear it in the front, to the right, or to the left. You want to make sure that the top is close to your forehead so that there's no hair in the way, kind of like this. And the clip makes for easy insert into the hair. This one can be worn the same way. You find the front at the point, and the back is indicated by the break in the tulle. It can be worn to the right, in the middle, or to the left. This one's more of a veil, so you can wear it farther on your forehead for a more dramatic look. These can also easily be dyed with Rit Dye to match any outfit if you're feeling creative. Make sure to use a temperature just beneath boiling when using Rit Dye. As you can see, the different fabrics picked up the dye a little bit differently. The feathers are very vibrant, but the fabric flower is a little bit more muted. These add a more dramatic look to any outfit. We hope you enjoy our feather fascinators. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!